Hello mga sis, today we are going to cook harissa, Arabic traditional food. Yan po ay whole wheat, soak it overnight. Yan, ganyan po ang itsura niya. Yan. So, ito po yung mga ingredients, mutton, cinnamon stick, water, black pepper, butter, and the whole wheat. Yan. Ipipressure po natin ang meat. Dapat po sabay ng whole wheat, kaya lang maliliit ang cut ng ating meat. So, sineparate ko ang pag-pressure cooker. Pero, pwede po ninyong pagsabayin. Ayan, we have to remove these impurities. We don't need this one, mga sis. When the meat is tender, palamigin at shredded. Separate the meat from the bones. And then now, we will going to pressure cooker the harissa with cinnamon stick. I mean to say, the whole wheat. Ayan po. For 20 minutes lang po yan kasi medyo malambot na soak na po ng overnight. Ayan na po ang itsura after pressure. Yeah, remove the cinnamon stick and we're going to add later on. And then we will add the 1 kilo po yan, pero tingnan nyo napaka liit lang. After that po, yan po, i-blender po natin, i-hand blender, lahat. Yan, parang gumagawa tayo ng porridge mga sis. Then we can add the salt, konti lang syempre. Ayan. Estimate your water, I add 1 glass more water po. Because later on, it will become thicker. So, napakadaling dish at napaka-konting ingredients. Kayo din po magagawa ninyo yan. Kapag po sinerve ninyo, we can add the butter or olive oil is your choice with black pepper. Thank you for watching. Sana po nagustuhan ninyo ang ating recipe for today. This is request of my husband. Kapag pumupunta kami sa mga Arabic event, ayan, meron tindang ganyan. Ayan po, this is called harissa, traditional Arabic food.